Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Ensure the unit has charge or is plugged in and that you have the right valve adapter. Connect the adapter to the hose, then attach firmly to the valve stem so no air leaks. Set your target pressure on the digital display because the compressor will auto-stop when reached. Once power and pressure are set, press the power button to wake the unit. You do this to avoid overinflation and to guarantee an accurate reading from the outset. Once attached, make sure the fitting is tight and won't lose pressure while running. Select the correct mode: tire for vehicles, ball for sports, mattress for inflatables, because the unit adjusts pumping behavior and maximum runtime. Start inflation and watch the digital readout. The compressor will pulse or slow as pressure approaches the set point to avoid overshoot. Make small adjustments to the target if needed. You should also listen for unusual noises, and to finish, stop the compressor when the display reaches the set PSI, then remove the hose and promptly cap the valve or replace the valve core to keep pressure. Make sure to power off the device and coil the hose neatly so adapters aren't lost. If something goes wrong, like the compressor won't start, check the battery level and connections first. Consult the error code on the screen and try resetting by holding the power for a few seconds. You do this to protect the pump and ensure reliability next use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.